Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in an Xbox controller. It's really simple. All you actually need are two brand new AA batteries to do this. If you're playing your Xbox and on the screen you see low battery for your controller, you're just going to flip it over. And here's the door for the battery compartment. Just put your fingers at the bottom of it and push straight up. Now remove the door. The batteries are really easy to take out. There's a notch here already. Just pop those batteries out just like that. And then we're going to place the new batteries inside. Now it's important to make sure when you put the batteries in that you put them in the right direction. We'll start with the bottom. I'm going to take the positive terminal of this battery. I'm going to place it on this side of the controller like this. Then you're going to take the positive terminal of the next battery and place it on the opposite side like that. Now, careful when you put your battery door back on. You want to make sure that these three spots here go into the notches, just like that. You're going to push straight down, and you're ready to go. I hope this helps. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button.